This is a 12-inch 2-speed oscillating fan from Hunter, made back when the company was still manufacturing in the United States. This is a great little fan, moves a lot of air quietly, very smooth oscillator. That's what Robbins and Myers Hunter was known for. Somebody pulled the tag off the bottom, so I don't know the model number of this fan. But just from the look of it, I'm guessing that it was made in the 70s as a more closely spaced guard when OSHA started mandating that they be finger safe guards. This is a compromise between the wide space grill and the very narrow space grill. So let me show you how it works. Starts out on high speed. It's got the 2-speed rotary switch in the back. And we'll go to low speed, which is really super quiet. And we'll go to off. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.